Good morning to one and all. I am Fahim Ahmed and I am from class 1. Today I am standing before you to recite a poem. The name of the poem is Unending Love by Rabindranath Tagore. So let's start. Unending love. I seem to have loved you in numberless forms, in numberless times, in life after life, age after age, forever. My spellbound heart has made and made the necklace of souls that you take as a gift, wear around your neck. In your many forms, in life after life, age after age, forever. Thank you and have a nice day.
Darling Gazebo, Hire Dadar, ঠাকুর দাদার বউ।